Hello YouTube. Today I wanted to come out and give you guys some updates on just some videos that were talked about last year. So to start off to say, you can see here that this box is empty, and that is because I have the Trio pulled out right now. Now I'm going to go and give a disclaimer or a bit of a heads up right now. No, this year will not be dedicated to just Christmas videos. I will be posting as many electricals, fire alarms, and all those type of videos. As a matter of fact, the Christmas videos may not happen until June or July. So basically, why am I making this video? Because you can see here, this Trio is in pretty good shape. However, it's in pretty rough shape at the same time. You can see here all the bulb caps, everything looks fine. Like as far as all that goes, and the star toppers, they look fine. However, these leaves look yellow. I did test it, spray painting it, which you can kind of see back there. It's a little bit whitish. It came out really good. So in the summertime, I'm going to be taking this thing out and repainting it. And it's going to be a full video series on how to do it. It's going to start with taking off all the lights. All the lights are going to come off. They just have some zip ties. They're all going to come off. And I'm going to be repainting them. Make them all nice and white again. I can't do much about this. I'm going to try and spray paint them as best I can. But I can't really do much about that, and I'm going to try and spray paint the speaker a little bit too. Other than that, the Trio works fantastic. And while I'm at it, I am also going to test around and maybe possibly make videos on how to repair your Incredible Holiday Light Show control boards too. Because as you can see here, this tree works perfectly. There's not one light that's actually messed up on it. So that's really cool. I had to join the memory on these two because it's not working right. That control board's not working right. I just need to get the Trio working. I blew the memory for the left tree memory. But let me go and show you some other stuff. So if we come over to where I have all the parts and all that for the Incredible Light Show, I am going to be showing how to repair these boards. Because here's what I found to be the problem on a lot of these boards. You can see there's a little bit of trace right here that I scored off, as well as some trace I scored off there. That's because the traces on these boards, because the boards are warped slightly, they're starting to give away all the connections. So just by rubbing off the little bit of trace and putting solder on that, we'll get these boards back up and running. So I'm gonna try and do the same thing to that board as well, because it did work and everything. Now I have the board working, it's just I need to figure out what's going on with the speaker connection and overall figure out how I can fix it. So we're gonna be working on this one too in the summertime. And if I can get these working, I'm gonna try and fix a couple of my light show trees. So you're seeing this video, like I pre-recorded this video, but you're not going to see this until basically you're seeing it now, which is like sometime in April. So just keep a heads up that sometime at the beginning of June, if not July, I will be fixing these, which will be repainting them and making them look nice and new. And this is what I was talking about in the Christmas video. When I want to bunch them up together, I'm just like literally gonna bunch these up together, which might be closer to like this. That way it gives me more room. And as you can see here, I would flip those two trees though, because I think that looks better, but that looks not too bad. So they're going to be bunched up together. We're going to go ahead and play. You can see here it doesn't look that bad though. Reset switch and everything works too for the remotes, because if I don't get the other one working, I still have a spare for these boards. That's not the board. That's not the board making that sound. That was this. So don't worry about that. But I have 2 remotes for these, because simply if one burns out, I have a couple of trees that work with this remote, so which is amazing. So, yep, they work amazing. There's nothing really else to say about them, because, I mean, they both do work. These 2 memories I know are joined together, but other than that, everything works on it. So, that's what I wanted to give heads up, that we're going to be taking these trees and we're going to be fixing them to where the paint looks all nice, because it's supposed to be a white trio. So we'll be taking it and fixing it and making it look nice and white. I mean, these are very glossy, just white spray paint. So keep a heads up that either June or July, sometime around there, we're going to be starting up the Christmas videos again and fixing a whole bunch of stuff, which I don't have nowhere near as much to do this year, because pretty much this is my only big project. Like, just painting this. Like, there's really nothing else much. Other than that, everything else is just testing. You can see here I got a lot of lights to test. And also, all these red lights are going to be used this year. So, you'll see that when the Christmas videos comes out. But, anyway, I guess I'll see you guys in another video. We might as well listen to one more song. And that will be just a heads up that in June, we're going to be starting up the Christmas videos again. So I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. Let me turn the light off. And have a great day.